Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In my today's video I'm going to review one amazing product by La Roche Posay. You guys know that I am a big fan of La Roche Posay. I always have something in my skincare from that brand because I find they're really high quality and they really take care of my skin. And I find great products for sensitive and dry skin that really work wonders for me. So this time I want to do a review of this Hyalu B5 serum. It's basically anti-wrinkle concentrate, and it will repair and replump your skin. It is amazing product. Now, how I discovered this product is actually I was sent a little sample. I was ordering some products from online pharmacy where I usually order some beauty products and food supplements and whatnot, and they sent me a sample size of this product here. So because it was La Roche Posay, I did not hesitate to try it out immediately, and I was like blown away by how amazing it was. It was love at first touch, So basically I immediately felt that fresh sensation. I immediately felt my skin was less dry, and I saw my skin was replumped and the fine lines were just gone. So I was like, wow, this is amazing. Now I do have quite a complex skincare routine. I really love to use my natural oils and then complete with some really good cream for dry skin. I always dedicate a lot of time on cleaning my skin, making sure that I don't have any trace of makeup when I go to sleep at night, and in the morning I will wash my face, tone it with rose water, and then I apply this serum here. So basically this is a serum that I am using in the mornings because at night time I do like my natural oils. I really oil myself at night time, but in the morning if I want something lighter but still very effective, something that really works magic when it comes to skin that is 40 plus and skin that needs to fight those wrinkles and just signs of tiredness. So basically I just put this serum after I cleanse my face. I wait for it to absorb a little bit and then I proceed with my daytime cream, moisturizer. Obviously I put my under eye cream as well, my lip balm, and then I will put my foundation. So this is like my little beauty routine in the morning. Very simple actually, very easy to do. I never skip it, and this is the product that absolutely amazed me and really transformed the appearance of my skin basically. Even though thanks to the natural oils that I've been using for years now, I can't really say that my skin is in a very bad condition. I don't have very pronounced wrinkles. I do have some fine lines, which is obviously normal for my age. I'm 42 now, so so I do have some fine lines, and my major problem is that in the morning I wake up with that line of pillow, and that is really annoying, and it takes quite some time for it to go away. So it looks like a huge wrinkle, but it's actually just the way I was sleeping that made the trace on my skin. It's quite annoying. And I tried sleeping on silk as well. I mean, the feeling is amazing obviously, and they do say that it prevents wrinkles, but when it comes to my skin wrinkling from sleeping, it does not matter if I sleep on cotton or on silk. This is just what I noticed. So guys, I could not resist. I ordered a full size immediately. Obviously I used up little sample size already, and this full size contains 50 milliliters, which is really nice because you only need a little bit of it, like a couple of drops for your entire face. I like to put it on my lips as well, because in the morning they can be a little bit dry, even though I always wear lip balm, but they can be a little bit dry. So I put it on my lips, they instantly feel refreshed and replumped, and I also put it on my under eye area, like really all over my face and on my neck too. Such a refreshing feeling, just really amazing. I cannot even describe it. It's like splashing water to your face, but then it won't leave your face feeling dry after a while. It just keeps on adding that freshness to your face and that really plumped and youthful feeling. Obviously makeup looks better when you wear this as a serum underneath your moisturizer. It's just one layer to add to your beauty routine that will make such a big difference. I think this retails for 40 to 50 euros depending on the promotion you might find at your local beauty store. I actually got this at the online pharmacy where I usually place my order, the online pharmacy that actually sent me a sample size, so they did have a little discount, like promotion on La Roche Posay products, so I ended up paying it around 40 euros, which I think it's a lot, but it's still, you know, acceptable for a beauty product that will really deliver amazing results. And this is meant for sensitive skin as well. And it's just amazing because it will bring that volume to aging skin, and it will really visibly reduce your wrinkles. So now that I'm in my 40s, I notice that comparing to when I was younger, if I'm tired, that really shows on my face. So I think this product really helps me in making my face feeling and looking fresh and therefore more youthful, which is something I really appreciate. And obviously I'm all for like taking care of your skin, taking care of yourself, your body and your soul, and nurture yourself, nurture your body. So I am, you know, fine with aging. It's a natural process. I don't want to look crazy at 40. I want to look my age, but still, you know, I want to look the best I can for my age, you know what I mean? Just by, you know, taking care of my skin and my body and my soul naturally. This is what I'm all for. I don't like that trend of eternal youth. What's that even supposed to mean, you know? That's just crazy nonsense. So we should all accept the fact that we are aging and embrace the beauty of it. But obviously when you take care of yourself the best possible way that you can, and when you're satisfied with yourself, with your body and your soul, then I think it really shows. Yeah, so I'm all for embracing your age, but still obviously taking care of myself. I did not mention this product here contains hyaluronic acid, and here they say it contains like 2 specific pure hyaluronic acids. Then it also contains vitamin B, which is amazing for your skin, and it contains another ingredient, which is, I have to read this, it's like a tongue twister, it's Madecassoside. Apparently it helps to plump your skin and repair by replenishing skin's barrier. It also activates the renewal of your skin, which is really nice. So I do have only the best words to say about it. I will talk a little bit more on my blog. It's soniaverarde.com. You will find the link below. So as you can see, this is how the little bottle looks like, and I really like it because it has this pipette and it's very easy to just squeeze out, to pump out a couple of drops, and really you don't need any more. So I already used up 15 milliliters, which was sample size, and then I've had this product for a week or two. And as you can see, this is how much I've used it, so I'm guessing this will last me for a good couple of months, even more than that for sure, because I use it only in the morning, but you can definitely use it at nighttime too as a part of your nighttime skincare routine. It's just that I'm using those natural oils, so I cannot really incorporate this serum as well. It would just be crazy and way too much. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Let me know, do you have a favorite product by La Roche Posay? And if you do, let me know your recommendation. I think that will be super helpful for me and for other beauty junkies who are always on the lookout for the next best thing. But I think for a long time I will be sticking to this one because it's truly amazing. If you want me to review more of my favorite beauty products, then please press thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. It really means a lot to me. It's a boost of motivation, just keeps me going, keeps me filming. So until my next video, I'm sending you a big kiss from Croatia and I will talk to you soon. Bye bye guys. Ciao.